Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Home of Politics. I appreciate your support, your presence so much. And if you are here for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share the video. Also leave a comment in the comment section. About the impeachment of the Deputy President, tomorrow is the day that we are expecting that this issue of impeachment is being taken to the ground, and the public is expected to have a participation in it, so that there should be a fair trial whereby the public has participated, the parliament has done its work, and now will be waiting the decision of the Senate. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can hear different interviews from different people or different regions, then you can learn that different regions has got different opinion about this impeachment of the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. This is because, according to the individuals or to the public, some of them are just having a natural hate towards the Deputy President. Others are having favoritism or tribalism, comparing the Deputy President, who is Rigathi Gachagua, and the one who is being proposed, CS Kithure Kindiki. This is because you can see individuals from Meru County, the homeland of CS Kindiki, are the ones who are really proposing the issue of Kindiki replacing Rigathi Gachagua. Others, you can find out that they even don't know the stand, but they are just saying if there is a mistake that the Deputy President has committed, then let the impeachment procedure continue. Up to that point, ladies and gentlemen, you can find out that there is some hidden politics that is going behind the scene, because if the aim of this impeachment or the aim of this politics behind hatred of the DP, then we can see there is something to do with divisive politics that is happening. Just listen to these individuals.
Popote walipo, na sisi kama jamii na kama wakaaji wa Nakuru na kama wa Kenya tunasema no Rigathi, no Ruto. Halafu tunasema no Rigathi impeachment. Tuko pamoja? Ya pili tunasema katika miaka miwili ambaye hii serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na sasa wameleta broad based government,
After researching na after kusoma hiyo kitu yote, nikaona our deputy president, hii ni kitu wanaweza kaa chini na president wetu wajadiliane, kwa sababu Kenya ni kubwa kuliko sisi wote. Na kwa hivyo ndio sababu nimekuja na tumewasikiza, nimeshida the whole day nikisikiza ground, na watu wa Nyeri wamesema deputy president hawataki atolewe.
So on Tuesday, myself as Geoffrey Wandeto, Member of Parliament for Teto, I will be voting no.
My good people, according to the people of Meru, they only wish and they want that the seat to be retained by Kindiki, because they believe that in the first place Kindiki was preferred than Rigathi Gachagua, but it was shortchanged during the election period, and they had to accept because right now Kindiki has been serving in the government. We don't know if this is right, because we are seeing favoritism, tribalism, and it is something that it is really being discouraged, because they are saying that mtoto wetu Kindiki should be given the seat. Same to the people who are supporting the DP, they say the seat belongs to the Deputy President. And if we can compare how these things being played, then we can see that these politics have succeeded, because Mount Kenya comprises of the Meru, Mount Kenya comprises of the Kikuyu, of the Akamba, according to the Gema community, whereby the G stands for Kikuyu, A for Akamba, we have E, Embu, and M for Meru. These are the same communities that they comprise of Mount Kenya. And if we say about divisive politics, then we see that inside the Kikuyu and the Meru, then there is a division whereby some of the people are really pushing Rigathi Gachagua out of the government so that Kindiki can replace the deputy president. This might be a hidden card that is being played by the president, because since this issue of impeachment of the deputy president started, the president has never commented anything to do with his DP. This is because maybe he doesn't want to come in the limelight saying that maybe he is happy about the impeachment, or he does not want the DP, or he wants another DP in, or he wants to appoint another person. He has not even come out or sent even some of his close people to come out and comment on this issue. Instead, we have been hearing people who are close to the president like Oscar Sudi, who have been coming out to support the issue of impeachment of the DP. And we see even the Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly, Bosholei, came out saying she's sure she's going to table an impeachment and the DP will be impeached. And so you wonder, why is the president himself very quiet about this issue which is happening? The same thing happened to him during the time when he was the deputy president, the time or the regime of the retired president Uhuru Kenyatta. And he was looking very, very politely. He was very sorrowful in every occasion. He was just playing his part, but he was being seen as a puppet. But the difference between him and the sitting deputy president is that by his time period, he did not show reaction the way the DP has shown it very, very fast. He just remained calm until the time of campaign arrived, when he started now showing his real face. But for now, the question is, why is the president very quiet about what is happening with the office of the deputy president? There is a possibility that he is in it, but he is hiding the cards very, very well. This is because he has a backup from Raila Amolo Odinga. Let us reason like this. You can see right now the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga is very close with this president, into the extent that he has just given out the 4 CS to the president, and this shows that it is a commitment that these two people have decided to make. This is because they are doing something to do with inclusive government, but they know how they are playing their cards. Who knows, maybe come in the future politics, the president might sweep the whole of Nyanza region. This is because in 2022 he scored a small percentage of votes in the Nyanza region, but he is increasing this percentage slowly by slowly, because the time when he visited Nyanza, by that time he was welcomed very much, after he has assigned the people from the lake these powerful seats in the cabinet, and we see the possibility of having more influence come 2027. And so, because divisive politics have really worked out, we see Mount Kenya, the Mlima imeguzwa, and now there is division between the Meru community and Gikuyu, and those who are supporting Kindiki versus those who are supporting Gachagua. This is because if the unit of Mount Kenya region could not have been tampered with, then to rule these people could be very difficult, because we have known them as a region that is very united, because they usually vote under one voting block. All their votes are being put on one person. They have never been divided like regions like Western region, whereby you find a half or some counties that belongs to those regions are supporting a certain candidate, and the remaining one is just wondering, they don't know where to join these politics. And so, because the divisive politics have just worked, we can call this divide and rule tactics, whereby this president has succeeded in dividing this community or this region by introducing the issue of comparison between these two leaders, Kindiki and Rigathi Gachagua. Because he is very smart and is seeing in future, maybe he wants to retain this seat until 2032. Then we see he must bring the enmity in between here, so that this region cannot be in one line. This is because if he succeeds to do this issue of division on Mount Kenya, then he retains Nyanza region because he's a very close ally to Raila Odinga right now. And these regions which supports Raila Odinga is Nyanza region. Western region, we have some part that supports Raila, and right now he has full support of Western region because some of the Western region part is under UDA and the other one is under Raila Odinga. And because he is a friend to Raila, then he has collected the whole of Western region. Same to the coastal region, they are the supporters of Raila Odinga. If Raila Odinga has swept the coastal region and the relationship between the president and Raila will continue until the voting period, then we see he will sweep the whole of coastal region. If we come to the northeastern part also, we see he has an influence and support that Raila Odinga is receiving. And so the problem here is only Mount Kenya or the central region, whereby he has successfully divided it. And a section of it will support him, a section of it will push him away, of which he will have come out with at least a support than none. And up to there, we see that it is a politics or a ruling strategy that is going to work out, because even if he loses a half of Mount Kenya and is gathering coastal region and Nyanza, then he can succeed again to retain this seat. And up to there, we see the impeachment is very, very burning. We see this issue is getting serious, and tomorrow is the day when we are collecting the public participation, hearing from the ground to see how people are saying. And so because some people are supporting this issue of impeachment, others they don't know how to say about it, others they are against it. What is your take about this impeachment of the deputy president? Because it is a way of divisive politics that is going to divide this region, whereby some of them will be confused. They will not know how to put their vote come the next election. Send me your ideas in the comment section if you support the impeachment or not. Have a good day. Nimechoka. Oh God. Isije ikakata.